Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Those of you that have been here with me, thank you so much for the support and love you've been showing. I really appreciate, especially on my first video. I want to show my appreciation for all the love, the comments. I read everything and I made sure to reply to every one of you. I'm really grateful for the love you're showing to the little YouTuber out here. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be about my eyebrows. I want to show you guys the tips and tricks I use in achieving the flawless eyebrows. So you guys, if you want to watch how to trim your eyebrows in a very well defined and professional way, stay with me in this video and watch to the end. All right, let's get right into it without wasting much time. Right now I'm going to be showing you the 3 most important equipment or items you'll be needing to achieve a flawless and well defined eyebrows like a professional. So the first item you'll be needing is your eye pencil, your eyebrow pencil. This is what it looks like. What this does is it helps to outline your eyebrows the way you want it to be already before going in with your blade or whichever cutting equipment you'll be using. So your eye pencil is very, very, very important. That's the number one thing I would say you need using my own technique. And the second thing you'll be needing is your blade. Like, without this, I don't think you can actually carve your eyebrows. So the number 2 thing I know you'll be needing for achieving the flawless eyebrows is your blade. This is what it looks like. And then the third thing you'll be needing, which is also equally very important, is your spoolie. So with these 3 items, you are going to achieve a very well defined and flawless eyebrow. The fourth thing that I'll be introducing in this video is an eyebrow scissors. Okay, for this is not necessarily important. If you don't have it, it's fine. Don't stress yourself. You can use just the blade. It's just for you to understand the technique and know how to work with it. So now that I've shown you the items that I use in trimming my eyebrows, now let's get right into it. So right now I'm going in with my spoolie first, just to brush the hair in place. So what I'll do now after I'm brushing my hair in place is to go in with my eye pencil. And if you want to sharpen it well to make sure it has a very defined tip. So now that I have my eye pencil well sharpened and defined, I'm just going to go into my eyebrows now. So what you want to do is, I like to just create an illusion of a well-defined eyebrows. So you see what I'm doing? I'm going in lightly.
I'm just trying to carve out the shape I would like to have. This is what I like the shape of my eyebrows to be. I'm just going to go back into it and just make the pencil more pronounced, so that when I'm cutting, when I start trimming, I don't trim out the whole thing.
So this is what I have now after outlining my eyebrows using the eye pencil. What I like to do is I like to just break the blade into 2 like so, and then I just use one portion of the blade. So what I'm going to be doing now after cutting the blade in 2 is to go into the eyebrows now and start trimming it bit by bit. So I start from the front mostly. So what I like to do, I like to raise my eyebrows up like this, so that I can have enough space to go in with the blade. So if I'm doing it like this, there's not much space, but once my eyebrows is raised, because I've already outlined it, so it will be hard for me to trace it. So now you want to raise your eyebrows up like this, and then just take note of how I'm holding the blade. I'm not going in like this because you don't want to wound yourself. You want to go in with the side like so, and just follow the line.
Just go in gently. You don't need to rush it. You don't need to be too fast, because once you miss one line, you may just end up spoiling the brows. So yeah, I've seen this. So now you want to go in with the spoolie and brush the hair this way.
After brushing the hair downward, this is where you need the blade, the scissors rather, to just go in and trim the hair. This is the hair that are facing down because you don't need them. For those that do not have the scissors, for those that do not have the scissors, don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how to do it with the blade on this other eye part of the face, sorry, part of the brows. So after doing that, I'm still going to brush it downwards again so that all the excess hair can be just taken out. Or let me just show you how you can do this with your blade. So after brushing the head downwards, just go into the blade and just gradually it is easier to do this with the scissors because it's fast and you don't have the chances of injuring yourself. That's what I have. Now I'm going to still brush it downwards and just slightly take out the excess hair at the top side.
When doing this, please you want to make sure your skin is well moisturized, because if your skin is not moisturized, if it's dry, you have the tendency of cutting into your skin because it's dry, and then the blade will not easily move. So you see how I'm taking out the excess hair. I'm not cutting close to the brows, I'm just basically taking out the excess hair around the brows. I'll use it again and just basically trim off all this hair around. So this is what we have now. See, there are not much hair coming out, so you want to leave it like this. Just brush your hair back in place. Now you want to go in with your wipes and clean that off, just so you see if everything is how you want it to be. Guys, I don't like wasting my wipes. I just like to cut this and just use this part of the wipes and to clean my face.
Do you see that? This is how you want to achieve a flawless eyebrows. You see how I took my eyebrows from 0 straight to 100. I'll go in with my echo gel now and just touch just big a bit with my hand. So this is what my eyebrows looks like before trimming it. As you can see, yep, it was very full and scattered. And then now, so this is what it looks like now after carving the brows. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from the tips and tricks I gave you on how to achieve a flawless and well-defined eyebrows like a professional. So if you watched this video to this point and you enjoyed it, kindly give a thumbs up and share, and also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also stay tuned for more interesting and enlightening video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.